Well, good morning. It stopped raining. It was absolutely hammered down on the weekend. God, I'm looking rough this morning. Yeah, absolutely hammered down. Loads of rain on the weekend, and wasn't concerned about the sub base that we've put down, that PQC. But what I'm concerned about this morning is my labourer. He's ill. There we are. It's absolutely solid. It's not going anywhere at all. So what we've got to do is start marking out the perimeter. Got to start prepping this area up here now and just making sure that we're hitting the right areas. It's always a bit annoying when your staff don't turn up, but I can cope with it. And when you get into it and you start shoveling and you realise how good you are. There I am. One of the things that's become apparent and became clear on the latest uploads is that how many people actually know about how to lay porcelain. And I was always told that if you're going to be laying it, you want to be laying it in the same way it's laid inside. Yeah, that has credibility. There's no ifs or buts about that. But can we fine-tune what we're doing? Because if you look across YouTube now and look at some of the big leading brands and manufacturers of paving, like Marshalls and Bradstone, believe you me, they're not laying it like it's being laid on the inside. As I said, Marshalls, Bradstone, some of those companies have got videos on there where they're laying it just on an MOT and just a wet lay. Yes, they're using a slurry mix, and they think that that's more than ample enough to do the job. But personally, I don't believe that is. That's why I'm using a lean mix, okay? And I call this lean mix a PQC. Got lots of information out there to say that a lean mix is a PQC, a paving quality concrete, and that's my opinion. But what I'm doing, I'm improving on what these major manufacturers are doing. Well, there you are. We started to mark out the patio. It's not going to be exactly like that, but you can actually start seeing the shapes that we hope to achieve. Show you a little bit more tomorrow. Well, I'm home now, and I'm going to have to shift a fair bit of timber now. I need to make some space on the one side. It's been a mess for too long, and like I said, it's all about maintenance now, isn't it? And keeping on top of things. And they say that a man's order is a reflection on what's going on in his mind. So I have to get things tidied up because that's not me. And things need to be kept clean, neat and tidy, and then you're able to progress better. It's as simple as that.